Want to speak English fast without boring grammar books or expensive classes? Stop wasting time on grammar books. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the exact sentences and hacks that native speakers use every single day.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I'm still sleepy. Same here. I need a cup of coffee.
Let's get ready for the day.
Okay, what's for breakfast?
Just bread and eggs.
I'm running late today.
Don't forget your keys.
Thanks. I'm leaving for work. Have a great day.
At a feast, a natural conversation.
Can you help me with this file?
Sure, I'll do it later. Let's take a short break first.
Did you finish your report?
Yes, I'll send you the file.
Great. Please wait a moment. I'll check.
That sounds good.
I agree with your points.
Okay, let's start the meeting.
Thank you for your help today.
After work daily talk, a natural conversation.
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing much. How was your day?
It was same here. I'm so tired.
Let's go shopping this evening.
Good idea. How much is this bag?
Too expensive.
Do you have another size, please?
I'll think about it.
Okay, let's move to the next shop.
Outside/travel, a natural conversation.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
How far is it?
It's very close.
Should we take a taxi?
Yes, or maybe walk.
Excuse me, can you show me the way?
Sure, but excuse me, what's the time?
It's 4 o'clock.
Oh, thanks. Please speak slowly. I didn't understand at first.
Evening at home, a natural conversation.
What's for dinner?
Rice and curry. The food smells good, right?
Yes, please pass the salt.
Here you go.
I'm full, thank you.
Okay, let's watch a movie.
Good idea. Turn off the lights, please.
And close the door too.
It's getting late now.
Yeah, good night. See you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our daily English tips. See you in the next video.